Hello everyone, it is Saturday. It's extremely hot. This week's been hot. The rabbits have been enjoying the frozen bottles. They've been staying alive. Storm is on her way to have more. But today, for now, this segment is all about sorting out this. So, if you want to see how it's done, stick around. Because when me and my wife get to this, you'll be surprised at what can be done with something as terrible as all this. I know I look like I've been through hell and back. It's hot as hell and I'm back. So basically, I have. So stick around, let's get to it. Okay then, so that's what it looks like cleaned up. It still needs a few tweaks here and there, but I think this is pretty good. So now I've got a workshop that is effective. I still need more lighting, but for now I know where everything is, I know what to do, and just a DIY tip. If you at any stage see that you are running out of something, just get more. I mean, it's not that expensive to buy loads of screws and nails. I mean, I've got nails here, these are nails, these are screws, bolts and nuts, more screws in there. I've got some in here. I've got a whole bunch, and I've actually bought extras for the trailer wheels. So it just makes sense to have a good supply, a good stockpile of anything you might need. For example, in this heat now, we have built a new grow out pen, but the heat is getting to them. So we will be building a roof for them in a short while. So I don't need to go and get some screws, I've got screws. So that's just a little handy little tip for you there, if it helps. Also, in the next video, you will be seeing my jigsaw table saw conversion. A jigsaw is one of these boys. This is a trick I saw at work, my boss actually does, to cut plastic. Plastic strips for some of the machines we make. And check out the next video. Have a good one.